a day today. Animals come to learn and play. But oh no, what do we see? No one knows behave properly. Oops, 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 what a show. Cow sits down. Whoa, cow sits down. Desk goes up like Teacher Kitty says, sit, sit, please. Cow goes mew, I eat my cheese. Cow starts chewing desk instead. Books bounce over her head. Whoa, moo, moo, sit, sit, fit. Cow still chewing every bit. Pig enters with loud oink, oink. Slides on floor like splash and splink. He runs around the classroom fast. Breaks the chalk and laughs so fast. Kitty says, what, none. Pig says, just, this is fun. Oink, oink, oink. Slow, slow, slow. Pig is running like a show. Rooster jumps on teacher desk. Cock-a-doodle, super best. Kitty says, please. Rooster shouts, no, 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 ease. Doorbell rings, but he rings more. Class becomes loud like roar. Cock-a-doodle, shh, shh.
Oh no!
Rooster thinks rules are Sheep starts jumping on chair. Ba, 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 everywhere. Duck slides in with splash, splash. Ink spills in a colorful crash. Let Kitty shout, calm down now. But animals don't know how. Ba, 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 splash, splash, splash. Classroom turns into a crash. Goat enters, eats the board. Chalk table, everything ignored. He says, munch, munch, yummy, test. Kitty sighs, this is a mess. Munch, 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 stop, stop, stop. Goat is eating classroom shop. Kitty claps, listen all. Farm school is not a mall. She shows sit, walk quiet to her. Animals try to copy her too. Slowly, slowly they learn today. Behave is fun, they all say right. Farm school now is fun and bright. Learning how to do things right. Moo, oink, ba, and cock-a-doodle too. Good behavior starts with you. Farm school, E-I-E-I-O. Now they know how to go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Oh no, no, baby shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling rake. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea. Healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Yum, 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 candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop, pop, pop goes jelly boons. Candy flying round the room. Oops, oops. crunch, chop. Kitty brings banana, shake one. Apple slices on a plate one. Crunch, crunch, crunch goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels alright right. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch, 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 healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits lead they. Yum, 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 candy treat, but healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm a cow got sick. Dust. Moo, 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 weak. Moo, moo, slow. Something's wrong. Oh no, no, no. Yes. E-I-E-I-O. What to do? Dr. Kitty is coming through. Yeah. Cow go slow. I feel so bad. Bubble tea. No energy. Feeling sad. Wow. No jumping, no happy sound. Just lying quietly on the ground. Jay. Farmer shouts, help me please. Cow says, moo, I need ease. Moo, moo, weak. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is sick and feeling low. Just siren sound. Dr. Kitty runs in view. Don't worry, cow, I'm here today. I will chase the sickness away. She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Good. Kitty job has just begun. Kitty says, open wide. Cow goes, moo, I tried. Moo boy. She gives a juice, rainbow bright. Cow drinks it in one bite. Trot, trot, trot. Cow starts feeling everything. Sip, sip, sip. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healing nice and slow. Look at that. Suddenly cow jumps flying. Wow, I feel like I can fly. Woo! Becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. 3. Farmer laughs. Thank you, Kitty. You are smart and super pretty. Moo, moo, strong. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healthy, here we go. No damn dirt, no. All animals clap and cheer. Love but good. Dr. Kitty brings joy here. Cow is dancing, feeling fine. Sun is shining, farm is shining. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And Kitty saved it, don't you know? Moo moo happy, loud and free. Ghost from ever jiffy. Chikis. Old MacDonald had a sick. Wow, torture Kitty saves the day. Old MacDonald had a farm. There's Farmer Kitty on the farm today. But something strange in a funny way. Dark Kitty on the farm to eBay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch crunch crunch. Hay is gone. Cow looks shocked.
Mood is wrong.
Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She crunch, E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats fast, oh no, no, no. Kid says, Wink, my food is here. Kitty shouts, oh yes, cheer. Big burgers, apples, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. My food is gone. Kitty burps, carry on. Boink, 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 boink. E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats it all, you know. Ah. Rooster shouts, honk, cock-a-doodle-dee. Kitty says, I'll eat that too. Oh, no. Seeds, grains, crunch, crunch fast. Nothing lasts, nothing lasts. Rooster cries, what is this? Kitty says, delicious bliss. Cock-a-doodle, E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats fast, don't you know? Sheep says, Papa, grass is mine. Kitty says, looks so fine. Pig grabs one, whole field clean. Sheep says, this is not mean. Kitty rolls, yummy, yummy. Farm is now an empty tummy. Ba, 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 E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats it all, you know. Now the farm is empty land. Animals looking very sad. Kitty suddenly stops and sees, oh no, I ate everything. She rubs her belly slow. Maybe I should stop. You know, farm. Kitty had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. But she ate it all, you know, no. Oh, I'm gone too fast. Nothing left. Oh, what a blast. E-I-E-I-O. 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 Kitty says, I take it all, yo. Five skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone dead. The rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, hi, no more skeletons stealing eggs tonight. Four skeletons came back again, thinking they could steal like vengeance. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Not in my farm, you can't take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, poor thing, stay away from this farm tonight. Three skeletons tried once more, sneaking quietly near the door. But Kitty jumped with a magic sound and made them vanish all around. Kitty said, this is not your place. They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, no more stealing eggs tonight. Two skeletons came super slow, but Kitty said, no, no, no. One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. One skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone and pool. He saw her and started to flee. No more eggs for me, I'm free. Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine with them. with happy meows and morning light. No
Look, more
more
eggs by the barn.
stealing eggs
Almost got 'em
tonight.
all. Into the basket.